Okay guys, so we're going to make some oatmeal flatbread today. So all we would need is 1 cup of our oat flour. You can look at the description below to see a link for how I made the oat flour. So we need 1 cup of oat flour. I'm going to use a little bit of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. I'm just going to put a little salt. And we need half a cup of boiling hot water. And this is all we need in order to make our oatmeal flatbread. It's quite simple, as you can see. Of course, we're going to use this spoon because the water is very hot. So we're just going to stir it until it cools down a bit so that we can handle with our hand. So this is an alternative to, of course, if you're gluten-free and you can't use wheat flour, then you can make your oatmeal flatbread instead. Right, let's see if I can use my hand now. Still a bit warm. Just going to knead it this way. Of course, you can put it on a work surface and knead it on a work surface, but I think I can do this as well. Let me just maybe shift this to the side. Yeah. So I'm just working it in my hand. Yes, I know some of you are probably saying, why don't you just put it down on the work surface and do that? Well, I can do that, but this also works very fine as well. So as you can see, it has come together nicely in a nice ball. So to make the flatbread, what I'm going to do now is just pinch off some pieces like this, and then I'm going to roll it now into a smaller ball, just like that. Okay, so we have one here. Pinch off another piece, and I'm just going to continue pinching off pieces and making it into these balls like this. Okay guys, so from that I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls. And now I'm going to move over and nearer to the stove so that I can press it out, and then we're going to cook it on the hot plate. Okay, so to make the flatbread, we're going to use our press here. So we simply put the rolled up oats here, and we have our plastic and we put it down and we press. And here we have our perfectly round oat flat bread. Okay guys, so on my hot plate, I'm simply going to place my flatbread on it. I'm not going to put any oil or anything. I'm just going to cook it just on the cast iron flat plate. So you just want to cook your flatbread on both sides. Until it's cooked through. Okay guys, so here we have our oat flour flatbread. What I would tell you is that when you now take it out of the take it off the stove, it's going to be a bit hard, but if you leave it to cool, it becomes more soft and pliable. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. That's the only way you will know when I publish a new video. With the way YouTube has it now, just subscribe would not necessarily mean that you did that you would know when I publish a video. So you have to hit the bell notification. So once again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.